India is the world leader in rural population, with around 924 million people living in rural areas. To ensure their comfort, it's essential to develop infrastructure, such as building roads. However, this is quite a problem due to the challenging landscape of mountains, hills, forests, rivers, and swamps, along with unpredictable weather patterns, including heavy rains that can lead to floods. So, the materials used for road construction need to be affordable, easy to produce in large quantities, and suitable for emergency repairs. One such material is geotextile made from coconut fiber. It's resistant to salt water, doesn't pollute the soil as it naturally decomposes at the end of its lifespan. It stretches 30% when tensioned, costs less than its traditional counterpart, and lasts around 5 years. In March 2011, an earthquake with a magnitude of around 9 struck off the eastern coast of Japan's Honshu Island.